Hello YouTubers, millionaires, future millionaires. My name is Ali, and on this channel we talk about making money online, leveraging the internet, using affiliate marketing. And the offer that I have for you is exactly what I just said. You're going to leverage the internet using leverage the internet, making money with affiliate marketing. This offer is called PWA, Partner with Anthony, and it's only $7. I want to make this video as short as possible. I've already made one lengthy video a couple minutes ago. You guys can check it out. I'll leave the link in the description if you want to go to it. But listen guys, this guy here, I'm going to take it right from the end part, and I want you guys to listen. This is Anthony Morrison over here. This gentleman has been in the arena, or in the vertical, or in that niche for quite a long time, over a decade. He's very experienced. The offer he's given, the offer that he's put together for you and for us and for everybody that wants to join it. I joined a different offer. I kind of took the higher offer, but this is a good introductory offer. As you guys can see over here on the left, it's 30-day money back guarantee. You can try it out for free. You have nothing to lose, zero to lose. Pay the $7, do the training, learn a lot of stuff, and start making money right away. If you feel like you're not making any money, ask for your $7 back. No harm, no foul. Get your $7 and move on to something else. But one thing I want to explain to you guys before you make any decisions or think this is another internet or another YouTube video that's going to waste my time. Anthony Morrison, if you look at this photo here, this gentleman is very knowledgeable as far as the online business. This particular thing that he has behind him here is $50 million in business. This circle here, this record here, is 25 million, and this record here is also another 25 million, and this one here is 10 million. This is 10 million also. So between just the top part alone, you're looking at $70 million, and the ones underneath it is all 1 million each. So Anthony really knows what he's doing. He's knowledgeable. He's very educated. He's done it 1,000 times. He walked the walk, talked the talk. And Anthony's going to put his money, or he's putting his mouth where the money is. Or did I say that backwards? He's putting his money where his mouth is. Or I don't know. Regardless. Listen guys, this is a really incredible opportunity. $7, you're going to come in. He's going to show you how to do, he's going to train you on how to start making money online, ditch your 9-to-5, and change your lifestyle completely. If you're sick of your 9-to-5, you're sick of your boss, and you're sick of this just clocking in, clocking out, going into the office, whatever your situation may be, this is your way out. This is your solution. And I got something for you at the end. I'm going to tell you, I'm going to share with you that I'm actually going to do for you. If you want me to help you out, I'm going to help you out. This is Anthony Morrison here, great gentleman. The program is called PWA. And that's one of the things that Anthony says over here. This is his quote: "Why do it alone? Why do it alone? I'll partner with you." So if you guys can partner with somebody as successful as he is, you guys seen all the accomplishment, all his accolades, and all his awards that he has. He's done close to $100 million in sales, so he really knows what he's talking about. So if you want to partner with the best for $7, this is your opportunity to do so. Start making money today, and if you don't, here's what happened. You get your money back guarantee. That's how confident Anthony is that this program is going to change your life. And the bonuses that you're going to get over here is, let me get my glasses on because I can't read small text. Going to give you complete done for you funnel. Basically you get a funnel that's ready to go to run your business on. You don't have to create your own website or your own landing page or your own squeeze page or opt-in page or whatever they're called these days. They have millions of names. Everything's done for you. He's going to give you your funnel to use right away. It's all explained in the training. The link is going to be in the description, by the way. Bonus number 2, I'm going to give you digital copy of the first book. Anthony written a book when he first started his online business. He was making anywhere from $250,000 to, I wouldn't know what it is, somewhere in that range or more a month. And he's going to show, he put it all in one book. He sold over 1 million copies, and he's going to give you a copy of those of that book for free when you sign up. All that's for $7, guys. That's less than a cup of coffee. You can start your online business with Anthony Morrison He's absolutely incredible, and he has already proven the method. He walks the walk and talk the talk. Bonus number 3, you will get full access to my weekly Success Connection Live. He does training every week, and you guys get to jump in that training. He answers any question that you may have personally. You can put it in the chat, and he'll answer it for you. A lot of people usually attend these webinars and these training every week because there's so many valuable information. A lot of value comes into those training. You have access to that also. And as you guys can see over here, this is completely priceless. I mean, you're gonna be able to interact with somebody as knowledgeable and as powerful and as established as Anthony to answer any question that you may have regarding starting an online business, and he'll be able to answer all that for you guys. I hope this helps, guys. I don't want to make this way too long, okay? The most important thing, just remember over here, no question asked, money back guarantee. If you come in and try this out and it doesn't work out for you, just ask for a refund and he'll give you your $7. But I guarantee you this is going to be the best $7 that you'll ever spend. And this is quick note over here. These type of programs, they're offered online. Those usually go for like $2,000 to $3,000. Anthony wants to share the wealth and the knowledge with everybody because he feel like he owes to society. Basically, he just wants. He remember where he was when he first started his business. He was struggling entrepreneur, and he knows how tough it is, and he wants to kind of give back. And that's what he's doing with this program. He just wants to help. And also, if you guys look over here, this is designed for newbies. If you're an internet newbie, an online newbie, and you just don't know what to do, this is designed for you. If you are actually been in the business and you're making some kind of money, 10, 20, 30,000, however much money you're making right now, and you're a seasoned marketer and you want to scale up to a higher level, this training is also for you. So it's great for everybody, beginners and experienced people. If you guys are interested, click the link in the description. And one thing I'm going to offer you guys that's going to be incredible, I'm going to leave my phone number below. If you guys click, if you guys want to started with this program and you don't have $7, text me. I will send you $7. I will Zelle it to you, and you can get started with this program. Wish you guys the best luck. Love you, and I'll talk to you soon. I will see you on the inside. Do not let this opportunity slip away. It's the best option there is out there. If you implement everything that happened in here, being taught in this program, you will make a lot of money. I'm gonna have to go because I do have another appointment after this. If you are part of my channel, I want to thank you so much, guys. I really, really appreciate you. I appreciate you. I appreciate you. Thank you so much. If you are new to my channel, I want you to subscribe, comment. If you have any questions at all, please leave them below, and I'll be more than happy to answer them for you. If I can't find the answer, I will search the answer and I will get back to you with that. What else? Share this video if you got any value out of it, and tick that bell icon so you don't miss on any upcoming videos. I'm constantly publishing different offers, and I handpick these offers. I have to make sure that they're not your ClickBank or there's nothing wrong with ClickBank or JVZoo or Warrior Plus or any of these other offers. This is premium offers, and it pays recurring commission, and it's high ticket, and you can have access to all that. Just can you imagine the power? And you're investing $7, and if you don't have $7, I will send you $7. What else? Click the link in the description, get started today, and that's all I have for you. Have a wonderful day, and I'll talk to you soon. Best of luck, and I will see you on the inside. Bye-bye.